Alright guys, so today what we're gonna do is we're taking off the unit so we can go ahead and get it welded. Hopefully Compa Barber right here is gonna get that shit welded. Right now we're just setting up the tires, so once we lift up the truck, I'll be able to take it off easy. He already has that one off. We're loosened up, so we need to do this one, and then once we loosen all of them up, then lift up the truck and then start getting into the fucking spider. Is it off already? It's off. Try this one. Yeah, it was too thick. Yeah? Yeah. Let that shit drip. For brake fluid? I mean, fucking brake fluid. The fucking the aceite for the diff was the smelliest one out of all. I hate that shit. What? Yeah, it smells like shit. Vergas. What? The dip? Yeah, I'm just putting it up for now. Alright guys, so alright guys, fuck you. Bitch. Hey, did you watch my video? I uploaded it today, fool. Fuck you.
What do you mean?
Freddy and sex still about Luis.
Luis
And I changed my name.
What'd you change it?
Eh?
What'd you change it to?
Boys, go on my bro, go on my shit.
454 Luis?
Okay?
Let me find out.
To what?
To 454 Luis?
154 Luis, that's the new one.
Oh, dude, that's it.
Definitely likes it, bro. He wants to buy it, but it's not worth it. Yeah, maybe like a cool $700 maybe. Sí, pero what the? Sí, también eso. Alright guys, so fuck you. So the diff is out. I mean the diff is out. We took off the fucking the fucking tapa, whatever you wanna call it. And right now what we're about to do is we're about to take these out right here. Right, record it here. Hold it. It's already recording. It's not gonna be the best, but as long as we hear what it says. Alright.
Since it's stuck on here, what you want to do is take a big hammer and you want to hit right in here really hard. Okay? And that'll help pop this loose. And now you want to pull the drum off, and this can be difficult. Shake it back and forth, turn it. Okay, once you get
Okay. Hit it a little bit. Shake it a little bit. Turn it. Twist. It's not doing anything. Alright, so after hard work and dedication, help of Robert, we were able to take it out already. Right now we're about to go buy some purple power so I could go ahead and take off all the fucking the grasa and shit, and so then he could take it and then I could get it welded. There? Alright guys. So like you guys can see, like I said, we got everything out. Right now I'm cleaning it up so he doesn't fucking fuck it up. No pressure. But I'm cleaning it up, you know, just to take off all the fucking aceite and shit. And then after that, then he'll take it and go ahead and try to take care of it, hopefully by tomorrow. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I want to see how long it lasts. I've heard a lot of stuff on the internet. Some people say that, you know, it doesn't last that long, it's gonna blow up or whatever, that doesn't work. And then I've heard a lot of people say that it does, that they've seen people with these trucks running 10s, no problem all day, doing burnouts and shit like that. And this truck can't even fucking run 10s, so you know, I'm pretty sure it'll be able to fucking hold the power. The only thing I did see a lot is that it is a little bit more, it does have put a little bit more tension on it when it comes to a manual transmission. get more torque out of it, so you're obviously putting more pressure on the fucking rear end. So that's the only thing I'm worried about, since they do have a manual transmission, putting more fucking pressure on it and then end up blowing it. But then, I mean, worst comes to worst, if it's not that bad, I just get another fucking axle. Yeah, I have to go through the trouble of, you know, replacing it, but these axles I could get them for like 50, 60 bucks all day. So, I mean, if it really comes down to it, but I highly doubt. I'm not pushing that much power for me to be so worried about it. If anything, the only dumbass shit I could do that could really fuck it up is that fucking be a head ass and, you know, fucking drop the clutch and shit with like street slicks and just something crazy, you know. But I'm not even there yet, and the truck isn't gonna be there for a while. And by then, I should have an actual posi unit. So, or I should have a different fucking axle. As a matter of fact, I'll probably have the Ford one by then. So, or something else. So I don't really give a fuck. This is just for now. I'm either gonna run it until I have the money all together to be able to afford the Ford fucking rear end, or when this shit blows up, I'll see what I'll do. Like, I'll just see my options. It just depends what's happening at the time. If I don't have the money for it, then fuck it, I'll get another one of these and just do the same thing. But if I have the money for it, then I'll buy it, and then I won't have to deal with this BS. I won't have to deal with these fucking drums, bitch ass drums. Quick tip for you guys: I don't know much about drums. You guys might think I'm a fucking idiot, but I was struggling so much to take them off, and it's because the whole time I had the e-brake on, which I honestly didn't know. I mean, it's common sense. I understand now why, but just in case anybody's fucking taking these off, you just take off the, like, don't leave the e-brake off, and they'll just slide off easily. They slide off like nothing, honestly. Just fucking slid in there. So yeah, I'll probably even change the drums and everything. Get the whole back fucking brand new. I mean, might as well. So I already have them off, and this truck has been sitting like for like maybe like about a year. Before I bought it, it was sitting for like a year, and here it's been sitting with me for like 4 months. So I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea to replace them. So I'll probably do that, and that should take care of that. And then once I have this all fixed up, then I'll get the steering, the drive shaft, and we'll be straight. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna probably clean it up a little bit, take out the little fluid that's still in there, and then later go buy some more for when it comes back, and then I should be good. I mean, I should be good from there. I'm also painting the tapa as well. It's a little beat up and shit, it's rusted, but I mean, you know, de algo nada. It's the first coat on right now. It's still a little bit cracked. I should have probably put primer on there, maybe even just sanded it a little bit, but I really don't give a fuck. It's just something leve. But yeah, guys, if anybody has some questions about, you know, what we did and how I did it or whatever, go ahead and comment below. Or also add me on Instagram. It's Luisito_S2. So it's LUISITOOS2. Something like that. I'll probably put it like somewhere, you know, here in the screen. But yeah, damn, that should drive fast. Get something leve. I don't want that shit to start dripping. Nice. Damn, I should have got like a little sticker and just. Also, now we're speaking about stickers, I am going to be coming out with some stickers. I'm probably gonna go maybe this weekend and talk to somebody to, you know, for them to make the stickers that I want to make. It's just gonna say Garage Builds Performance. It's gonna be pretty simple. I don't know, I might add a design, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna see my options, see what I want to do. But stay tuned for that. It's gonna be kind of I wouldn't consider it, I guess, I personally wouldn't consider it like a team or anything like that. I just kind of want it to be something that represents I want it to represent somebody who enjoys, you know, working on their vehicle, you know, on their truck or car or whatever it is, whether it's, you know, simple oil change to fucking changing a manguera, something, you know, hose, something simple. It doesn't matter, changing spark plugs, whatever it is, like, you know, as long as, you know, you enjoy, you know, you actually know something about your vehicle, you know. You don't have to know everything in depth or anything like that, nothing crazy, because I feel like nowadays people try to bash on other people for not knowing everything that they have inside their motor, whatever's going on and everything. Like, nah, you know, some of us choose to work on stuff, on our own stuff 100%. Some of us choose to pay for it because we have our funds, or we just, or you know, we find that way, that a bit easier, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But I guess that's what I wanted to be, represent, you know, somebody who enjoys, you know, at least working on their shit in some type of way, and you know, respects everybody's fucking ability, you know, whether it's you're able to fucking swap a motor around and put something else, or do crazy ass shit, or you're just able to fucking change some spark plugs, or just do an oil change, you know, just as long as you're able to respect what they're, when you know what they're able to do. It doesn't matter what you can do or what you can't do. So that's what kind of what they're gonna, you know, why I'm putting them out there and why I'm gonna make them. And yeah, if anybody's interested, let me know. Once I do have them, then I'll probably post them on here on YouTube, and then I'm gonna have them on my Instagram too, like the final, like how they ended up coming out. So on my Instagram I post a lot of shit. I post everything that I do on this truck. So if anybody wants to, like I said, go ahead and follow me on that. And yeah, I think that's gonna probably be it for today. I'm probably gonna put another coat on this, and then that'll probably be it for today. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'm sorry if it wasn't that much of an interesting video, but I really appreciate whoever's watching, whoever, you know, stays tuned with with the build. I have a lot of interesting things coming along. Everything's coming by little, and I'm really excited. It should be started soon. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for the next video.